The 2021 NBA Finals was the championship series of the National Basketball Association's 2020-21 season and conclusion of the season's playoffs. In this best-of-7 playoff series, the Eastern Conference champion Milwaukee Bucks defeated the Western Conference champion Phoenix Suns 4-2, winning their first NBA championship in 50 years and their second title overall. Holding home court advantage, the Suns led the series 2-0 before the Bucks came back and won the next 4 games. Milwaukee's Giannis Antetokounmpo was named NBA Finals Most Valuable Player, with the COVID-19 pandemic impacting the NBA for the second consecutive year. The start date of this best-of-7 playoff series was pushed from its usual time in late May or early June to July 6, the second latest start in finals history. Milwaukee and Phoenix were 2 of 5 teams in the league with an active championship drought of 50 years or more. Prior to 2021, the Bucks won their only title in 1971, while the Suns have yet to win a title since joining the league in 1968. They were both making their third finals appearance. Phoenix and Milwaukee each began play as expansion teams in 1968. Both teams were involved in a coin toss for the rights to the first overall pick in the 1969 NBA draft, which the Bucks won and used to select Lou Alcindor, later known as Kareem Abdul-Jabbar, from UCLA. He led the Bucks to their first championship in 1971. The 2021 Finals was the first since 1971 to not include any players who had previously won an NBA championship. The Suns' Jay Crowder was the only player in the series who previously played in the finals, making it just the second time since the first finals that fewer than 2 players had previously appeared in the championship series. No players had previously played in the finals in the 1977 series. The COVID-19 pandemic impacted the NBA for the second straight year. The regular season was reduced to 72 games for each team and was held from December 22, 2020, to May 16, 2021. The playoffs started on May 22. The Bucks finished with the league's best record in the prior 2 seasons before suffering disappointments in the playoffs. In the off-season, they were at risk of losing 2-time NBA Most Valuable Player award winner Giannis Antetokounmpo in free agency. They upgraded their roster by gambling and acquiring Jrue Holiday from the New Orleans Pelicans in a 4-team trade, surrendering a bounty in starting point guard Eric Bledsoe, George Hill, the rights to R.J. Hampton, and a package of future draft picks. Their newly acquired guard was a highly respected defensive player and an All-Star in 2013. Milwaukee later resigned Antetokounmpo, along with Chris Middleton and Brook Lopez. The team finished the season with a 46-26 record and clinched the 3 seed in the Eastern Conference. In the first round, the Bucks won in a 4-game sweep over 6th-seeded Miami Heat, who they lost to in the previous season's conference semifinals. However, Milwaukee lost starting guard Donte DiVincenzo for the season after he tore a ligament in his left ankle in Game 3. A 2-way contributor, he was the team's 6th leading scorer in the regular season, making 38% of his 3-point field goals. The Bucks then faced the 2nd-seeded Brooklyn Nets, losing the first 2 games before winning the series in 7. In the conference finals, they eliminated the 5th-seeded Atlanta Hawks in 6 games to reach the finals for the first time since 1974. The Suns had just a .302 winning percentage in the previous 5 seasons entering the 2020-21 season, which is the worst winning percentage in the 5 years prior for a team advancing to the final playoff round in any of the 4 major American professional sports leagues. During the 2020 off-season, Phoenix acquired All-Star Chris Paul from the Oklahoma City Thunder by trading away Ricky Rubio, Kelly Oubre Jr., and a future first-round draft pick. The Suns, led by Paul, rising star Devin Booker, 2018 first overall pick DeAndre Ayton, and second-year head coach Monty Williams, finished the season with a 51-21 record as the No. 2 seed, their first winning season since the 2013-14 season. and qualifying for the playoffs for the first time since 2010. They also clinched the Pacific Division for the first time since 2006-07. Phoenix began their playoff run by defeating the 7th-seeded and defending NBA champion Los Angeles Lakers in the opening round in 6 games. In the conference semifinals, they swept the 3rd-seeded Denver Nuggets. The Suns then defeated the 4th-seeded Los Angeles Clippers in the conference finals in 6 games, advancing to the NBA Finals for the first time since 1993. At 36 years old, Paul made his first finals appearance after 16 seasons in the league and 10 All-NBA selections. The Suns won the regular season series 2-0. Chris Paul scored 32 points and had 9 assists, and Devin Booker added 27 points to lead Phoenix to a 118-105 win over Milwaukee. After H.